Hey, art lovers, welcome back to Shruti Balat, your creative corner to unwind, draw, and bloom with beauty. This is our fourth flower in the floral series, and today we are sketching something truly enchanting, the lily of the valley. Honestly, I didn't even know such an elegant flower existed until recently. This is delicate, dainty, and oh so dreamy, so I had to make an art tutorial out of it. So grab your pencil because this one might look a little intricate, but I'll break it down into super simple steps. As we sketch, I'll be sharing some fascinating fact about this beautiful charming flower. So stay tuned. So it's fun fact time. These beautiful bell-shaped blossoms aren't they cute? They're a symbol of love and good luck. Did you know the scientific name for lily of the valley is Maialis, means of May, making it official birth flower of May babies. In folklore, it is believed that fairies sip water from these tiny cups and even protects garden from evil spirits. How magical is that? While they thrive for decades in cold climate, they're not fan of heat, kind of like us in summer, right? So let's draw the second one directly with pen. Don't worry, you can pause the video, make an outline with pencil and then continue further with pen. There's no rush, take your time. So enjoy this process. So the sketch is done. It looks pretty. So these are the colors that we'll be using. And hey, if you're enjoying this, don't forget to subscribe for more such amazing step-by-step floral tutorial every week. Hit the subscribe button right now. So we are going to shade with yellow and green. This lily of flower is white. We'll keep it majorly white, but today I'm going to show you a trick how to make a white flower pop out, because just keeping it simple white isn't so artistic. So wait for it. So the trick to make the white color pop is to use gray color, a pinch of it for shading the outer part of it. So you see, I'm not shading the entire flower, I'm just shading the outline. Post this, we will be filling the white part again with white color so that the grey color blends. And ta-da! That's your secret to having a white flower pop out. Now that we are done with the painting of the flower, it's time for the background. The color that you select for the background will make or break your painting. So be very mindful of what you select. So for this flower, I am going to select ochre yellow, or you can select chrome yellow. Any shade of yellow will surely make your flower pop. If you have still not hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, show some love, and yeah, I would love to see your drawings too. Don't be shy, share your drawing, because this is a beginner friendly tutorial. Would love to see how my art lovers have done so far. Ta-da! There it is. Isn't it so beautiful? So we'll add a little bit of white dots. Lily of the valley is all ready to bloom me today. I hope this charming flower added a little magic to your day. Sneak peek of our next floral muse, the lovely geranium flower. So hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, stay creative. Until then, adios from Shruti Balat.